Welcome to Curioverse, the channel where we explore the awe-inspiring mysteries of the universe. Today, we embark on a journey to discover the most intelligent animals on Earth, creatures with impressive brains that exhibit remarkable cognitive abilities and problem-solving skills. Join us as we dive into the world of animal intelligence and marvel at the brilliance of nature's most intelligent beings. Intelligence is a fascinating trait that goes beyond human beings. Throughout the animal kingdom, we find remarkable examples of creatures with exceptional cognitive abilities and adaptive behaviors. From solving complex puzzles to using tools, these animals showcase their incredible intelligence in ways that leave us in awe. Let's dive into the world of animal cognition and discover the most intelligent beings on the planet. Dolphins, the masters of social intelligence. Our journey begins with the highly social and intelligent dolphins. These remarkable marine mammals communicate through a sophisticated system of clicks, whistles, and body language. They exhibit self-awareness, can recognize themselves in mirrors, and have been observed using tools to forage for food. Elephants, giants with great minds. In the savannas and forests of Africa and Asia, elephants roam with impressive memory and emotional intelligence. They can form deep social bonds, remember complex routes and locations for water and food sources, and even mourn the loss of their companions. Octopuses, intelligent invertebrates. Under the sea, octopuses showcase their exceptional problem-solving abilities and cunning nature. With their highly flexible bodies and a complex nervous system, they can navigate mazes, camouflage themselves with precision, and manipulate objects with their tentacles. Ravens, feathered geniuses. Ravens, members of the corvid family, are some of the most intelligent birds on Earth. They have the ability to plan for the future, use tools to obtain food, and even solve puzzles in laboratory experiments, showcasing their remarkable cognitive skills. Chimpanzees, our closest cousins. Sharing about 98% of our DNA, chimpanzees rank among the most intelligent primates. They use tools for various purposes, communicate through intricate vocalizations and gestures, and display complex social behaviors, forming tight-knit communities. New Caledonian Crows, the ingenious toolmakers. In the forests of New Caledonia, crows have earned a reputation for their remarkable tool-making skills. These intelligent birds fashion and use sticks as tools to extract insects from tree bark, showcasing their impressive problem-solving abilities. Orangutans, the great thinkers. Orangutans, the gentle giants of the rainforest, demonstrate exceptional cognitive abilities. They use leaves as umbrellas, fashion nests to sleep in, and have been observed using tools with dexterity and precision. Border collies, the genius dogs. Among canine breeds, border collies stand out for their incredible intelligence and herding instincts. They are quick learners, able to understand and respond to complex commands, making them outstanding working dogs and companions. Pigs, intelligent and emotionally complex. Pigs are surprisingly intelligent animals with excellent long-term memory. They can learn tricks, navigate mazes, and even show empathy towards other pigs, demonstrating their emotional depth and intelligence. Bonobos, peaceful and clever apes. Bonobos, closely related to chimpanzees, possess impressive cognitive abilities and display unique social behaviors. They use tools, communicate through various vocalizations, and are known for their peaceful and cooperative nature. As we conclude our journey through the world of animal intelligence, we are left in awe of the remarkable minds and abilities of these creatures. Nature has bestowed the gift of intelligence upon various beings, each showcasing its unique brilliance. The complexity of cognition in the animal kingdom is a reminder of the marvels that exist beyond the human realm. If you are fascinated by the intelligence and cognitive abilities of these incredible animals, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Curioverse for more captivating content. Share this video with fellow animal enthusiasts and explorers. Until next time, keep exploring the curiosities of our universe.